one more round of games to go before the playoffs begin in the Jamaica Premier League, with the only outstanding business to be settled between Waterhouse and Montego Bay United for that final playoff spot. Of course, Mount Pleasant Football Academy, the defending champions, are the Howling favourites to defend their title. Mount Pleasant already topped the regular season table, and after adding more pieces to their roster, the fear being expressed by some stakeholders is that Mount Pleasant, with their superior resources and their willingness to use those resources, could turn the JPL into a farmers' league. And the truth be told, that possibility remains a clear and present danger. The saving grace could be the knockout format of the playoffs, where teams like Cavalier, Tivoli, Portmore, Arnett, and Firehouse could fancy their chances of pulling the upset over 90 or 180 minutes. That being said, though, Mount Pleasant are still the Howling, yes, the Howling favorites, yes.